Food. What does it become? These days, food is expected to look a certain way. And we will settle for nothing less than perfection. We've become so used to processed foods that we don't even know where food comes from and prefer to keep it that way.
People eat them. Yeah, that's chicken nuggets. You know when you have chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
It's made out of chicken. That's a chicken.
So I've always been interested in trying bugs and stuff like that after watching this documentary on how bugs are kind of the future of proteins and stuff like that. It's the most sustainable protein, I guess. And so I was so excited to be here and trying things and not having to, well, get huge platters of it, I guess. So excited! Are you still recording?
Yeah, record everything, mate.
Sí, son salsas hechas a base de insectos.
Ah, sí.
También puedes probarlas incluso. Primero y es al último traguito como tú quieras.
I'm quite nervous.
Mira, si quieres, puedes así probar como una tortillita con la salsa.
Okay.
Si quieres, este así solito.
Okay.
Y el medio puedes probar así la tortillita con la salsa.
Okay. I'm gonna try one of each and then see. It's, I don't know what it tastes like, but it's kind of like dust in your mouth. You don't wanna have a little snack?
I don't even want to look at it.
But what if we approach other proteins with a different mindset? Mentally, yeah, it's not a bad taste, but mentally I'm just like, this is gross. And what if we found ways to change the appearance to something more appealing? Kind of like we do chicken nuggets. Yeah, it's spicier, so we'll see. It's good. She said it's all in the preparation. When you see the bugs, it's a bit scary, but in the salsas, you don't see it, so it's cool. She said this one is a stronger flavor. So I see them everywhere. They're called stink bugs, I think. So. I thought it would be a really strong flavor, but it's not that bad. You can see the wings and the little legs on this one. Okay, the bigger they get, the scarier it gets. Diferente. I don't think I like that one. Is it? No me gusta. No mucho.
¿Escorpio? Sí, alacrán se llama.
Look at the stinger on that. I don't know if you can see it. That was going in my mouth.
Este es el aguijón, es donde se pican así. No pasa nada si se come, pero es muy duro. Entonces hay que tener precaución. Se lo quitas y ya es.
She said it's very hard. You can eat it, but it's very hard, so it's better to take it off. So you can eat it all in once, or you can eat a little bits of bites, but I'm not sure. It's like a weird beef jerky. I think that's what it tastes like a weird beef jerky. Like the crunchy parts at the end, you know? But then a little bit of a strange flavor at the end. I think she's lying to me. She said it tastes like apple and lettuce and stuff, but it's la cucaracha, the cockroach, tastes like apple and lettuce. We'll see. Look at the face on it. I think this might be the worst one. It just is very intimidating. It's big. And you don't associate cockroaches with nice things. You associate them with disgusting areas. Okay, here we go. Not taking big bites because you get overwhelmed with all of it when you have a big bite of it and it doesn't go down. And mentally, yeah, it's not a bad taste, but mentally I'm just like, this is gross. You can see the guts inside of it. I'm gonna try a little more just in case I took too big of a bite and I didn't like it. A chalky flavor to it, and it's not a bad flavor. It just feels weird. The textures are really weird, and I think seeing inside of it more is worse.
Did you eat the head or the butt?
The head.
No. So is that better?
I don't know.
While I don't think we'll be eating insects tomorrow, I do see how cool this could be. With a lot of work and a little creativity, we could be eating insect burgers in the future.